Kublai shibun pi baro te hakane ka video ngan ai ki jimentip na ki kam blapla da ka district school education office reward district na bunta ki post jong ki district mission coordinator but kane ka post ki shim ne ki tu ki blapla ya ka computer course te sampai ja kane ka video hadu banda code ngan batai detail lu dah kane ka video te perlu kada pide ibarang thamai ha kane ka channel sewa ban ai like ya kane ka video par ban share segi par log jong pi but kumjuro ban subscribe ya kane ka channel ka district school education office reward district ka code application pi na banta kini ki post jong ki district mission coordinator but cluster ban submit ya ki application form go jong pi kadai hadu ka arpar tre go disembar aljar arfulai te hakini ki post jong ki district mission coordinator ki nampak ki post ki belak tentang kawai ka job location kadai hari boy meglia but haka jinsiu ka ba arp sawajar arspa haka shibnai but hakarta ka fill apply kadai hakarta ka ba khat pra adu live arsnyam karta but namanta ka relaxation part sansnap namta ki SC ST candidate but namanta ka karan pule katkum ka district school education office reward district official notification pide ki bla pendap ya ka bachelor of computer application BCA diploma haka computer application DCA graduate haka science dan commerce PG DCA MBA MCA na kano ka recognize board lane university but namanta ka application fees nil omdan but haka selection process ka dailing baka interview te kumlo fill up apply namta ka district school education office reward district requirement ada apply haki post jong ki district mission coordinator job vacancy te parlok lada pidon kamon bat ka karan pule fill up apply offline deng ba ka prescribe application form but tiha ban submit ya ki application form deng ba ki relevant document sha ka office jong ka district school education office reward district ashwa ka arpar trek udisumbar arjar arfulai but parlok lada pidon kano kapat ka papim pat saibha sngewa ban comment hakane ka video te parlok hakane ka video tang kini jimentip nam taki post ke belajari boy bar ngini page pat haka ka video kublai shibun